Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be showing you how to clean your floors, and I'm going to start with the kitchen floor and work my way up to the bathroom. So first of all, before we start, I always sweep the floor, ensuring that I sweep all the bits and pieces up left on the floors. So, taking a broom, I'm going to sweep the entire floor, like so. Okay, to clean the floor, I'm going to use a mop. It's just an ordinary mop and bucket, so you need boiling water, obviously. So I'm going to pour that into a bucket. And these are the cleaning products I'm going to use: bleach, Dettol, Flash multi-surface and Fairy liquid. Okay, I'm going to add them to the hot water like so. It's a lot of cleaning products, but it does the job at getting the dirt out of your floors. I would also use, I completely forgot what it's called. It leaves a really nice scent. And I'm going to get my mop and plunge it in and out of the water to mix everything together. And then squeeze the water, and starting at the window end of the kitchen, I'm going to take my mop and swipe it side to side and up and down as you do. I'm going to add the Cif cream for floors. This helps remove any tough stains out easily. So we are going to squirt that everywhere, and also like to squeeze a bit of this Flash multi-surface to give it a bit more power. Yeah, the tiles do look dated. It's a very old floor. I am thinking of getting a new floor for 2020. Actually, I think the whole kitchen needs replacing. It's very dated now. It will be very costly to replace the whole kitchen, as it's approximately 20 by 8 feet. So that's 20 feet long and 80 feet across, something like that anyway. So need to save up, I guess. Okay, that's the floor. The dirt is definitely coming out now, as you can see. Moving on so quickly. My aim for 2020 is to upload more videos and do longer videos with more content to help grow my channel. So please like this video, and I know I say it in every video, but it does mean so much to me when you subscribe to my channel. So before we move on to the next bit, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. How often do I clean my floors? Not often enough is the truth, and that's because I don't really like cleaning floors. Who does? But I definitely appreciate it after I've done it. The reason I did this kind of video was after watching a Come Clean With Me videos on YouTube, which inspired me to do a full clean, and I hope this video motivates you to do something positive. I might do a Come Clean With Me video on the entire house. It definitely needs a good clean, especially after the Christmas holidays. But let me know in the comments below what video you want me to do next, and I should do it. The floor is so clean. You can eat your dinner off it, literally. It's all clean and fresh, so it's now time to tackle the bathroom. So I'm going to move on upstairs to the bathroom, but before I do, I need to change the water as it's so dirty. So we have to get some clean water, hot water, and I've added the bleach, Dettol, Flash and washing up liquid already. So it won't take me that long to do the bathroom floor as it's so small, as you can see. So it's hard to use the mop in here. The pole is almost the same width as the bathroom itself. So, and I can't adjust it. I don't think, no, it doesn't adjust. Just have to make do. I'll place the bucket in the bath. And like before, I'm going to add a splash of Cif and Flash directly to the floor to help the dirt remove more easily. I'm also thinking of changing the bathroom floor again. I think it's a bit dated now. So yeah, I might do a do-it-yourself laying the floor video. Who knows? I don't think I will actually, especially if it's hard floor. Not too good with the cutting tools. So I think I'll leave it to the experts. Music. So almost done. Just get around the toilet and the bath basin and the sink. Okay, finally I'm just going to mop up the wallpaper glue that was left on the floor. I've been hanging wallpaper over the Christmas holidays and we'll be uploading that video of how to wallpaper part 3 in my next video. So if you're interested to see that, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. I can't stress it enough. Okay, the kitchen and bathroom floors are lovely and clean and look amazing. And I feel great for it as well. I definitely got a workout from it. In fact, cleaning the floors, I have burned a lot of calories, approximately. So why go to the gym when you have Slim Jim? Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
What if I can't see you?
Just stay out of the kitchen. Don't touch.